Hi everyone, my name is Marlene and I will be doing the tidal volume video exercise for the class for week 5. And we're going to start off with taking respiration, and that is counting my breath in 30 seconds and see how much inhaling and exhaling I do in one breath. So I'm going to set my timer. Okay, here we go. Okay, so for 30 seconds I clocked a respiration breath of 10. All right, moving on. And I will record that on my data table in my lab report for trial number 1 in number of breaths in 30 seconds. The next part is the balloon exercise. Now, I already blew up the balloon by taking a regular breath and exhaling normally into the balloon. After breathing the normal air amount into the balloon, squeeze the balloon neck, twist the neck several times to prevent air from leaking, hold it tightly closed. That's what I did here. And now we're going to measure the circumference of this balloon with my measuring tape. Wrong end. So here we are measuring at 15.5 inches. Alrighty. So the circumference of this orange balloon will be recorded in my data table number 2 in my lab report. And how we calculate the average radius of the balloon is by dividing the average circumference from our table by 6.28, which is equal to 2 times radius. And this will be recorded into my data table number 3. Now the next part is how calculating the average volume of the balloon, and that is the tidal volume of the balloon for one average breath in centimeters, which is the same as 1 milliliter. And then this will be recorded in my table number 3 by tidal volume at rest. And there's 2 equations. Now the last part of this is multiply the tidal volume at rest in milliliters by the average number of breaths you take per minute, which was, in this case, for the 30 seconds, my breath was 10 breaths per 30 seconds. And we divide the product by 1,000 to get the tidal volume per minute in liters. This is your minute ventilation, and this will be recorded in my data number 3 called minute ventilation at rest.